Hello, my name is Sue Grant from Berthon, and we are having a look at Discovery 55, number 32, Florence O. She's back with us from the Caribbean. She came on the deck of a freighter, and she's a yacht that we know well. Built in 2010, she's in her second ownership, and she was substantially uprated and upgraded for the trip that they did with her when they bought her in 2019. Just going up to the foredeck, standard Discovery self-tacker and low-cut jib. And there we've got the glory hole, the forward lazarette, which is absolutely enormous. It's all very clean and tidy. Decks are looking nice. She's got the standard swept-back spreader rig, new standing rigging last year, and she's got a brand new electric winch motor for the mainsail furling, which is just going on now. If you look at the shape of the windows, they're divided. This works really, really well and looks very, very smart and modern. Nice wide side decks, very safe. And then the compulsory gin and tonic seats, 2 deep cockpit lockers. Just going to have a look at one of them. They are absolutely huge. Sorry, that's my foot. Davits, electric of course. Life raft, all the safety gear and so on was uprated for the trip. And it's all looking very nice. She has a dinghy which is not in the best of health, but you're very welcome to it. And here we've got the pedestal. Another one of her toys for this year was Hybrid Touch. Just showing you autopilot there, bow thruster of course. All the sail handling is done from the winch on the companionway top. Raymer on the companionway as ever. And then here we are in the main saloon of Florence. She's got a light oak interior, and she's one of only 2 boats which has this very large table which will go down to make a double berth if you wish. The pillar unclips and there's an electric lift and down there. And here we go up into the chart table. Of course, the thing about the Discovery 55 is the ability to watch keep internally. Fantastic vision. Hybrid touch again. Very funky, hardly ever used. In this ownership, the owners took her from Lymington, took her up to Scotland, down through the Mediterranean, crossed the Atlantic and had a glorious cruise in the Caribs before the ship collected her. It was something of an extended honeymoon, and I can't imagine a better yacht to take. Storage area, standard Discovery switch panel which works really, really well. Very easy to understand. And then we're down into the forward section of the yacht, all in really good condition. Nice VIP cabin for guests. Loads of storage as with all of the Disco 55s. You've got these deep drawers underneath the berth, and then you've got nice hanging lockers. We can have a look in this one, which is actually fitted out with shelves. I spoke too soon. Very clean, air conditioned, with heating, and also has these natty fans which are great for air circulation in warm places. There you can see the controls for both. And then into the upper and lower berth cabin. She's got lee cloths at every berth. These are wide and long, these berths. And again, loads and loads of storage for if you've got guests on board the boat for some considerable time when you're crossing oceans or cruising. All beautifully finished inside as well. Another one here. And just have a look here. And that is a hanger. Very good. And then big heads compartment, separated shower stall, all spotlessly clean. I really like the blue fleck on the Corian surfaces. The oak is carried through in this area. And then through the passageway, lots of storage on the starboard side. And then down into the legendary Discovery galley. Massive freezer. I'm going to have a look at that. And the fridge, which will just open. Again, spotlessly clean, very, very practical. 4-burner cooker. Twin sink. Double height hatchway so that you can hand things up through into the cockpit. And a coffee machine. And of course she's got her microwave, and underneath it this really useful larder. Owner's cabin is enormous. Really large for a 55-footer. And this yacht has wardrobes, his and hers wardrobes, port and starboard. There we go. There's storage to the side, under the bed, underneath the floor as well. This is a really light and airy cabin. Loads of openers. Little vanity unit. And then into the owner's heads compartment. All in really nice shape. And then into the engine room. Everything's been fettled and shut down in preparation for her new owner, just to be recommissioned when she goes back in the water. Panels for the winches. Water makers just there, which has all been shut down. Very good insulation on these boats, they are very quiet. And then we're back and looking at the full-size washing machine, which is a real boon when you're long-distance cruising. And then back through the owner's stateroom. Through the galley. And back into this spacious main saloon. Florence O, Discovery 55032. Fantastic conveyance for living well and crossing oceans.